day one, and today I am going to go ahead and decorate my house and put my Christmas tree up. So right now we're in the process of getting everything set up, and I wanted to show you guys how we're gonna do it. So if you want to see everything, stay tuned. Let's go! To TJ Hughes today, and I got the snow spray, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray them on my tree to see what it's gonna look like, because I thought I was gonna do it. Oh my god, that is so cool! Oh my god! Oh my god! You think it's gonna stay though? That's the
It's like silly string.
Oh my god, it makes my tree white. Oh, I'm so happy right now.
Oh, it's like silly string. I want some on my tree.
On my fucking wall. No, on my wall. On my wall.
Well, I want some for my room.
Do you think it's gonna make? I think it's just a mousse.
Save some for my room.
Oh, I love it.
And when you put it underneath the tree, it's like your tree snowing.
Oh, can you see, guys? That is so cool.
It's so nice. Let me show the bottom down. This is the top.
Yeah, this is it.
So you think we'll have to touch it up a
Yeah,
bit?
it's going away. But then I've got the silver one, so I'm gonna go ahead and glitter spray. Hi guys, it's been a while, but I finally managed to finish now. It took me ages because there was just so much to do, but I'm gonna show you, walk you through what I have achieved. I'm not done yet. I need to get quite a few things tomorrow or next when I do go out, but this is what it's looking like so far. I'm very impressed with the results so far. So yes, let's go. So as you come in, this is my little entrance table, or we just put shoes here. So I just got that nice reindeer from TJ Hughes, and I've got my joy that I made a few years ago, and then I got just normal flowers up there. There's some flowers and some smellies. Then if you come across on the door, I have put my DIY wreath. Check it out, I did this by myself, and I added that light. And also, if you can see, I had gone ahead and added some chaser light outside just to complement the whole thing. Why not? So this is what it's looking like. So yeah, and then back inside, it's freezing outside. So inside, it's don't mind the laundry. You can see I have this snow thing going on. I thought I'd just put it there, and then on this wall I've got different lights. I have like two different kinds of light. They actually do look good together, so I thought I'll put that there. And then here I've got these ribs from years ago. It was gifted by one of my friends, and I just added a bit of tinsel. And then that's it pretty much from the I should just take this off. I'm gonna take it to the living room now so you can see what it looks like. So like I said, we're not done yet. There's so much to do. I have to go shopping tomorrow. That's my kitchen. It's in the state, so I'm not doing anything there yet. I haven't put anything there. I haven't decorated there yet because I'm actually very tired because it's like 12 o'clock in the night already. But I'm gonna go ahead. Or is it 11? Yeah, it's at 11 or something. I'm not sure what time it is, but I'm really tired, so I cannot continue to do more. I'm gonna leave it for next time. But let's get into the living room, which is like the most nicest part. So there you go. So as you go in, I've just moved my sofa. This is my tripod. I just left it here for now. So I moved the sofa a little bit closer so that we can have more space to walk around over there. And we just moved the recliner over there, which I think looks absolutely nice. As you can see, got a matching rug. It's already messy. The kids are always just messing it up. Matching rug with the diamond design that's going on that I just absolutely love. And over there is just floor lamp that we put on there. And I got this absolutely beautiful curtain lights. They didn't have white, so I just went with blue, but they look amazing, don't they? And also they're not all the way down, so the kids can't pull them, because my kids are just too... Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Christmas tree. We're just gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, the lights, I love them. And so I'll put them at the back there. Over here, it's not much going on. But over here on the wall, it's not much going on, just my basic flower and plants dropping down. And then I've got this beautiful snowy Christmassy feel thing going on. It's just so beautiful. Ooh, so beautiful. So on my console, I've got this cute Christmas tree tinsel kind of thing that I got a couple years ago, and some snowmen. I'm not sure if it's still on. Oh, it was on before, but oh well. And then just some flowers, and another one. This one is on but just about to die. Then I got this one as well. It's not much going on under here. Then on my fireplace, I have got obviously fireplace, but it's not like on, but it's just like for display. Then I got this DIY. Believe it or not, this has been for years. I got that made by a friend of mine who made me it a couple years ago. I thought they were cute because they're like perfect size for children, so I kept it for the boys. So one for Shane, one for Shaden. And then I've got this beautiful candle holder from B&M. I just love it. And then I've got this amazingly smelling this is like one of the best already, spiced orange. You guys, this smells great. So I can't wait to put it on and burn it. Then I've got this little fake globe kind of thing with Christmas tree inside it. And I got like a normal flower, and I just decorated it with, what is this? Holly or something like that. Some red apple and berries, and obviously that one. And another one of these just to go. Then I have some candles from IKEA that I'm still burning. And then onto the Christmas tree. Dun, 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 dun. So basically, like I said, I'm gonna get the Christmas cap and the Christmas tree carpet. I think that's what it's called, just to put under the tree, so that all the beads of the flower or plant or the Christmas tree, the beads of the Christmas tree falling down on the floor will just go on it, and it will be easy to clean. But then I've got my gift acrylic gift set, or parcel, LED parcel, that's what it was called. I got this from Studio. I think they're just beautiful. And I got a set of 3. And then here goes the tree. How beautiful does my tree look? Bearing in mind, I am not done yet. I am going back in tomorrow. I'm gonna go get me some and I added this extra large over the top bowl. I'm gonna go in tomorrow to the range to get me more decorations, and I do want some white to add to my collection so that it will be nice. So I wanted to add a bit of color, like is it purple or pink, or like fuchsia kind of thing, just to make it look a bit different. So that's what I've gone ahead and done. And over here I've added my belief sign, which is part of Christmas. I've had that for a while, and I added one of the snowmen there and some lights. And on the window I just got this cute reindeer that I got as well from TJ Hughes. And yeah, anyway, my daughter have a stocking as well. That's the same lady who made these ones made it for her years ago. It's customized. It's got her name across that says her full name, which is just amazing. Like, you can't get that anywhere. So I'm just gonna, but she's put it upstairs because she's got special stuff inside there and she doesn't want anyone to touch it. So it's on her room because she's got her own Christmas tree also in her room there. So she's have her own entire thing going on.
And also, guys, if you want to watch how I decorate my Christmas tree, go on my YouTube channel, which is Shanique Page. Okay,
so you heard that. Anyway, guys, that's about it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick vlog. And yeah, I'm gonna update this tomorrow when I go shopping. I'm gonna show you guys what else I get for on. Take a moment to look at these beautiful wreaths. I thought the one would really go with the tree because I'm having like silver and gold. I didn't really get any. I only got one silver, but I put it in the kitchen. But I'm definitely gonna get more of these because I just love it. So when I do get it tomorrow and update it, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Maybe it's before I post this video up so that you guys can have a good look. So that's it pretty much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.